Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to change voice on Discord without Clownfish. In easy way, so make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open up your web browser and we need to search for voice mode. So we were going to be using the voice mode software. Actually change your voice. You can get a limited amount of voice with a free version and you can go and download the paid version if you need it. But for the majority of the people, the free version is going to be adequate. So you can click download and I already downloaded it. So just follow the process in installing it. And after you install it, open the voice mode. So when you first launch voice mode, you're going to be prompted here to enter your input device. So your input device is going to be the device that you usually speak. The next step we need to do is set up the voice mode program. Discord. So I'm going to show you on how you can do that now. We'll head it now to Discord. Then you would go to settings. You will go to voice and video. Then you can click input device and you can go to microphone voice virtual audio device. Click on that. Then we can click exit and now we should have the voice mode set up on Discord. Now we can go back to the voice mode software and here we can choose what voices we want. We've got a lots of free voices here to use and here click and add and use. And now you can use a voice changer without a Clownfish app. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share and subscribe if you are new here.